Hello, welcome to Wander Financial. In our last video we talked about a trade alert. So now that we know what a trade alert means, let's take a look at actually placing the trade. In this trade alert we can see it said buy 20% FXC at 74.90. When you get an alert, you might want to take a quick look at a chart and just see what, if you want to see what we're seeing. In this case, this trade alert's actually a couple weeks old. I'm just using it for an example, but we bought it here. You can see we bought it on the big breakout, and since then it's steadily climbed. So that's what we were looking at. And then bring up our trading account. I'm using Tastyworks. I've got a nice fresh account here, opened up for videos. So this is what your screen's going to look like. First thing you can do when you want to make the trade, click the trade button up here in the upper left, bring up FXC, it automatically is bringing up the options, but you can click to stock. Okay, you want to make sure you've got FXC, the correct one, in there. You can see the price here. The bid price is the highest price somebody's willing to pay right at this moment. Ask price is the lowest price that somebody's willing to sell at. You can see in this case it's 75.41 at 75.43. There's a 2 cents difference. That may or may not matter to you. I generally trade using a limit price. If it was 75.41 at 75.43, I might be willing to pay 75.42. Sometimes it just doesn't matter. You're talking about a penny. In this case, we discussed it was 26 shares. That would be $10,000 divided by multiplied by the 20% of the trade size we're making. That's $2,000 you're allocating to the trade. Divide that by the buy price, and we had 26 shares at 74.90 anyways. Regardless, so we're looking to buy the stock. We're buying to open. That means you're opening a new trade. Again, the price is right here. We're going to buy it. I'm going to say 75.42. Actually, I'll just buy it at the offer. 75.43. We're buying 26 shares. That's all there is to it. If you wanted to buy at the market, which would just quickly buy it right at the ask price, you can click the market order. In theory, the ask price can move a little bit out of the way. You might end up paying a little bit more than you thought you were going to pay. Again, I tend to just use a limit price. If I miss it by a couple cents, I can cancel and replace the order and chase it a little bit then. But I prefer knowing what price I'm actually getting. So anyways, we're going to buy 26 shares at 75.43, buying to open. We're going to click review and send. You can see here, this is the price that this is how much the trade is going to cost you. So yeah, we're just under we're right at the $2,000 area that we talked about for this trade, the 20%. And with that, we can click send order, and that's it. That'll buy it. Click that, and you can see immediately pops right up. We bought it. 75.41. Okay, that's the current price. We bought it a penny or two higher. We can check the activity here. We can see our filled price, 75.43. Okay, 2 cents on a $75 stock really doesn't really matter. So that is a buy. That is all there is to it. You've got your first position here inside your portfolio, and that's it. In our next video, we'll talk about placing your stop order, because risk management is the #1 item in trading. That's the #1 most important thing we do. So let's take a look at that next time. That's it. Thanks for watching.